This story has an important lesson. This is part 1. Long ago, in a faraway land, there lived a king. He was kind and had a good heart, but he was not very intelligent. Because of this, he was always looking for wise people to help him rule the country. The king was not satisfied with his advisors. They only took salaries and gave weak advice. This made the king very worried. One day, the king went for a walk in the forest with his courtiers to clear his mind. On the way back, he saw a strange man sitting under a big tree and talking to himself. From far away, the man looked mad. The king stopped and thought, either this man is crazy, or he has a special kind of wisdom. Out of curiosity, the king went closer and asked, "Why are you talking to yourself? Are you mad?" The man laughed and said, "You are the mad one, not me. I am healthy. I want this forest to be cut down, palaces to be built, and you to be their king." The courtiers were shocked. They thought this man was either very mad or very brave. They suggested taking him to the palace. The king agreed. On the road, the man tried to escape, but he was caught. When they reached the palace, people were celebrating. They discovered that an enemy was waiting on the king's original path, and changing the road saved the king's life. The king realized this man was not ordinary. What happens next will surprise you. Don't miss part 2.